Good morning. I have the two smaller collections that I had made the other day. Well, this one I really only added this black paper because I ended up flipping this over. I was going to make two kits out of it, but I have lots of collections with lemons, so I just decided I'm going to do this. And then I'll probably cut this like vertically or horizontally or something. And I just love it with that black background on there. So I decided I'm gonna just do that. And then I have these embellishments still left, and this is from Carta Summer Market. And so I have all these embellishments left, or stickers left. And then I just added a few embellishments, I mean really hardly anything. And so I put in these labels actually because I had them laying here, and I'm putting in black photo corners because I thought that might be a fun addition. And then I have some brads, and if I can open them, there we go. I put in 3 pink and 3 blue. Like, it's like the shade of blue. It's kind of a bluish green. It actually looks more blue out here, but so I don't know if you can see that. Those, and then I had these I bought from Amazon, and you get like bunch for like $10 or something like that. So I've got this gingham green, which I thought would look so cute with this, since it's summer market. And then I had a couple that are just these little white flowers with a yellow stamen, or whatever they call the inside of a flower. I think that's it. And with a green background. So I thought those would be super cute in there. So that's all I'm actually adding to this. And I'll put those away later. I think because it's not a big kit, I had this here. I just kind of want to show you how I'm going to store them. I will still put it in, I'll probably put this in a bag. I've got some like giant Ziploc bags that I got from Amazon, so I'll probably just stick these in here. I thought the labels would be super cute. This one looks like wood, and I actually had them laying here, so I thought, oh, I have labels I can put in here. So I'm gonna put those in here, and then I'll put the brads in there. So I'm just gonna put this in here and put this in a bag, because right now I'm gonna store all these in a big, it's like a 12 by 12, it's like for hanging files, and that's what I used to keep my paper in. So I'm just actually gonna keep it in there for this month, because I'm gonna just see how many I can get done of the kits I've made throughout the last few years or whatever. Okay, and then I had this one here, and this is Simple Stories apron strings, and I made like 2-page kits, I figured, from this, but I might get more out of it if you know, if I end up, like, I'll have, you know, one of these extra if I only do a single page. And then, you know, it's like depending on how much you cut it up, sometimes you end up with extra, and I would at least make a base page out of whatever's left. So I have these, because I'm thinking like this would be one kit, and this would be one kit, and I would have half of these to split up. And I have the stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I thought they look very kitchen-y. And then I have this also from the Dollar Tree, and I thought this one goes really well with it. Now, I don't know what the deal with the mustache is, and I don't know if I can take that off, because I don't know if I want that there, unless, of course, you know, hubby's cooking, or if he grills or something, I don't know. But I thought this was really cute. I don't think I remember seeing the mustache on there that day, but I'll deal with it if I decide I'm going to use it. This here is from Bo Bunny, and I might have got this like at Tuesday morning or something. I don't know, because I don't know when I got it actually. But it has like the turquoise in it. It's got some, did I think it had red in it? I don't, for some reason I thought I could use this. Now I'm looking at it, it's like, what did I pull this in for? But it's got the right kind of turquoise. So it's like, maybe I was just thinking I could use the turquoise in here. And this is laying in my room, so it's like, oh, let me just throw that in there. So I'm sure I could work something into it. Okay. And, oh, I just threw this in there in case I wanted to throw some other embellishments in there. Okay, now I just want a piece of paper. Do I have one that's just white on the back? Yeah, okay. So, I used to make flare. Actually, I would still make flare, but the Cricut company, where I used to make my flare, and their website or their app or whatever, they made it so that if you didn't have a Cricut that hooked up to it, you couldn't use it. So it's like, well, I'm done for now then. Okay, so I brought in these flares. I've got a cow because there's, you know, I'm working with that. I guess I want to show this. I'm working with this here, so it's got a cow on it. So I just kind of kept this in mind, how it's kind of a little farmish, kitchen-like. So I've got a cow, and I've got that gingham. I've got these that are like a wood grain, and then wood grain with flowers. And there's pink in here, so I thought that works. And another pink flower. Is this one that has tea with it? No, but I was thinking I could still pull in tea if I wanted to. Well, this says coffee, or tea, sugar, flour. So, oh, and the teapot. That's why I thought would work. So I got this one. It says, the tea is calling, I must go. Totally relate. A little pig. So we've got a pig. This one says, I love you, a latte. I have a chicken, and we have chickens there. And made with love. And you know, there's lots of cooking going on here. And then I pulled in some flare. I pulled in some brads. And this brad, it's like, this is so cute with it because it's got like all the colors that are in this paper. And it looks very kitchen wallpaper to me. And then I have these other little ones in the same color. This one actually looks like a little slice of orange. This one has some yellows in it. This is some of the, like the teal blues. Have a bunch of those. And I've got the pinks. So that's there. Another one of those that has all the colors in it. I think I have 3 of those. And then another yellow one that's just yellow with white dots. So I have those. And all my other stuff here. And let's see, I did put 2 of the labels in here, and I just brought white ones over, but if I decide I need a color label, I know that I have them. That's my reminder. I'm trying to pull out things I don't normally use, or you know, I just forget about. So I brought a doily. I brought some more photo corners, the yellow, the red, and the craft color, because I thought all that reminds me of it. And these were Heidi Swapp's things that I got at Tuesday morning once. This one says choose happy, and I thought the color went really well. And this one is life is filled with beautiful moments. Now this looks a little more countrified to me, but I thought I just might use them. Who knows? So I'm just throwing stuff in. I have a jar, and I brought one of those for one of the other ones I did. This one here, and this was made by Debbie, and I think she put in this Bon Appetit with this one. So I've got that with it. And then I have another teapot, and I have great big teacups, which if I use them, I probably won't put them right next to each other because, you know, that teapot would like totally fill that cup. And that would be the end of that. It wouldn't be tea for two. Okay, so, and then I have this little mixer. I think those are really cute. I don't remember where I got these. Some of them I got at Tuesday morning earlier, but I've found stuff at, Hobby Lobby lately. And this is a fork and a knife. And then I have a whisk, because on here is a whisk away. So I thought I'm gonna put that in there. And then also the little rolling pin, because there's also a rolling pin in here. So that's what I have, and I figured there's maybe 2 or 3 layouts. I mean, I figured couldn't get too much out of it with these as my main embellishments, but since I've added the more, I might get 2, 3 out of it. I'm sure I can get 2. So that's it for today, and I will be back tomorrow with, I think tomorrow is Collab Lab. So I'll see you then. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.